Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to open the Windows settings. So first of all, what is the settings in Windows? So the settings in Windows allow the user to customize their Windows operating system. So now let's have a look at the implementation. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are at my desktop, so we will have to go to the Windows icon from the taskbar, like the start menu icon. We will click over here and then we will hover our mouse over here and click on the settings. So this is the Windows settings, and you can use the personalization. You can change your background and themes from the settings. You can also search for files and the permissions, and you can also uninstall apps. You can see which apps have which permissions and other things, and the system, like the display, the brightness, the display, and everything else, like the night light or the HD color, the resolution, everything. So you can customize your entire Windows operating system from here. And you can also search for settings, like let's say themes. You can see that everything related to the theme is now over here. So this is how you can use the Windows settings. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to open the settings in Windows and some of the functionalities in the Windows settings. Now, thank you for watching.